Did you know that your pet's stress levels can be affected by your stress levels? It's true. When you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed, your pet can pick up on those emotions and mirror them. But don't worry, we've got some pawsome tips to help calm your furry friend's nerves and yours. From pheromone diffusers to calming treats, here are 10 surprising ways to reduce your pet's stress. 1. Give your pet a massage. Research shows that gentle touch can lower cortisol levels and reduce anxiety. 2. Create a calming playlist featuring soothing music and nature sounds. 3. Offer a puzzle toy filled with treats to stimulate your pet's mind. 4. Use aromatherapy with calming essential oils like lavender and chamomile. 5. Try Tea Touch, a gentle, non-invasive technique to release tension and promote relaxation. 6. Provide a cozy bed or blanket to make your pet feel secure. 7. Practice slow petting, gentle, slow strokes to help your pet relax. 8. Use a calming vest or thundershirt to provide gentle pressure. 9. Create a sensory room with calming textures and proprioceptive inputs. 10. Share a special bonding activity with your pet, like a scavenger hunt or sensory game. And for you, our bonus tip, take a few deep breaths and focus on your pet's calm energy. You're not alone in this journey, we're all in this together.